in Swift, there can come a time where you need to access the property of an optional, but you just don't want to go through like an if-let statement or anything like that, or to unwrap something. You just want a value, and that is literally just what you want. So what we can do this in another way is like providing a fallback value in the event that it is nil. So we always know that it actually has a value. So we've got this prize winner, and this is going to be the name of the person that's won the prize. Okay, and if there hasn't been any one person won it right now, then it's going to be nil. Now what we want is to be able to output the name of the winner is, drum roll, and then we come to here and say prize winner. Now right now, if we run this, you can see we get string interpolation produces a debug option value and so on, and the name of the winner is nil, which means we have to start then doing, like, I want to say like winner name is equal to string and so on, and if prize win, so if winner is equal to prize winner, then we can say then winner is equal to or winner name is equal to winner, and then we can come here and basically say winner name, but we need to have this as var now because we need to give it initial value, and it says not been decided yet, and we run this. Now you can say the name of the winner is not being decided, and if we change the name to say then David, and we run this again, you can see it comes up with David, but there seems to be like lots of code here that we have to write, and it would be really nice if we could literally just say here, right, like this, and then add the string that we're going to use in the event that it doesn't have a value. And as you can see here, the name of the winner is David. Now if we put this back to nil, you can see that it gets the name of the winner is not being decided. So we can literally just dump all that code, and as you can see, it's cleaned it all nicely up. So if you are working with optionals and you have a default value for it, and it is allowed to be nil as such, and this is the value that you're going to use in the event that it's nil, this is what you do, and it's called the non-coalescing. I think I've said that correctly. Let me just put this down here, and the non-coalescing, yeah, that there. Anyway, you can just read it for yourself, and that's what this is basically doing. And you might have seen it in other programming languages up until now. And so this is basically saying, if this is nil, then I want you to use this value instead. If this is not nil, right, then use the value of this. So unwrap it. So this double question mark is going to unwrap. It's doing an if-let statement inside of it, and it's going to give the unwrapped version of it instead. Otherwise, it's going to give this. So basically, yeah, that's what it's doing. So it was a super simple thing, allowing you to add fallback values for any optionals, and it really is a one-liner. You don't have to have much complexity in this. With that said, if you've got something out of this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and if you do have any questions, queries, concerns, or feedback, please put them in the comments section down below. With that said, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao, and goodbye.